Hello, this is your teacher, Professor Nirmal Kumar Swai, Department of Library and Information Science, Maharishi Dayananda University, Rohtak, Haryana, India. So, we are developing series of modules for the doctoral students or those are concerned with doing research writings and what to follow, how to maintain or sustain with academic integrity, and how to avoid plagiarized writings. Okay. Then come to paraphrasing. Paraphrasing is altogether a very important concept, very much linked with citation practices. When you start writing, irrespective of your vocabulary and language level, what are the options available, what you are supposed to do? The first of all, you should write of your own. You read as many books or literature you possible. Okay. Then you start writing your own and cite whenever or wherever is possible, is needed, especially in case of specialized writing or you claim something. Okay. So that is your citation. And while citation, you acknowledge the sources. One thing comes to your mind, even sometimes our PhD students do ask in the classroom also. Is it possible to cite one after another? Although they are novice, they are raw, their mind is raw, very, very difficult to produce a direct answer to them. What I do, I say, you are supposed to, the basic concept of behind any writing is that you are supposed to write your own, and if it is needed or very, very urgent or warranted, then you cite or else you write your own, because you are supposed to contribute through your own and it should be considered as your original writing. Though nowhere it is written that one after one cannot or can cite or not, and the entire document, entire research articles is based on citation one after another, nowhere as it is written. But the golden rule is that you cite whenever it is required, whenever it is warranted, especially in case of the knowledge you are claiming, which is in private domain or not in public domain. That again this is different issue, what is private and what is public domain. Okay. But and sometimes you write of your own, there also you need whether the paraphrase need to be cited or not. I would like to tell you, those books produced in Indian context largely, or those books produced by the foreign publisher, good standard publishers, or published in, they do cite even the paraphrasing elements of. But in Indian case, or our students mostly feel that paraphrasing need not to be anywhere. Where to cite, which paraphrase to be cited or not, is very difficult to distinguish. But remember, for paraphrasing you need your own language, vocabulary, semantics, syntax. And if you are very poor at paraphrasing, then probably it will be very closer to the original writing, or the writing you are paraphrasing, a document you are paraphrasing. So in that case, you know better. Okay. So you cite those if it is wrong paraphrasing, is poor paraphrasing. If your vocabulary vocabulary or narratives or your things are better, probably you need not to cite. You claim it is my own. So in these ways, paraphrasing. Okay. In paraphrasing, you may not. You simply give the hint of the source you are paraphrasing. You must have noticed in one paraphrase citing couple of 2-3 sources are mentioned in your text together. If book A, B, C, D talk of a similar or a commonness or a common point, and you want to mention in your writing that common point, and the 4 books do talk of the same thing, a similar ideology or similar knowledge, then you in your text you mention all those sources together one by one after another, 4 sources. In this case, this citation and the other kinds of citations are different things, because you need not to mention pagination here. Like page is very much required to mention from which book you have borrowed. So this is about paraphrasing. So before we close paraphrasing, even other aspects of paraphrasing can be consulted through my other modules also. Paraphrasing, that paraphrasing need to be done, because all the time you cannot cite. Especially those are developing their writing style, you are at very primary level or grassroots level, then you do take off help of paraphrasing, which all the time you cannot cite. Many citations also gives you bad impression about your bad impression about your writer. Okay, especially the newcomers, they do paraphrase. Others also do, but remember, if your paraphrase is not that good paraphrase, okay, then you think of and you try to learn those how to cite those paraphrasing elements. Okay, in that way you can learn and you do that. And if your language, vocabulary and everything is good, and you are deviate from the original or the book you are paraphrasing or the document you are paraphrasing, then probably you need not to mention. So here, dear students, remember 2 things I highlighted in paraphrasing. Okay, one paraphrasing is good paraphrasing, another is bad paraphrasing, wrong paraphrasing, poor paraphrasing. There are different terms denoting this aspect. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.